Welcome! If you've ever posted something on your Facebook page and noticed others sharing it to their stories, you might be wondering how to stop that from happening, especially with the latest Facebook update. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent people from sharing your page posts to their stories using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Settings. This takes you to the main settings page, where you control all kinds of privacy features for your account and pages. Now look for the section called Page and Tagging. This is where you can manage who can interact with your posts and how your content is shared. Click on Page and Tagging to open those settings. Here's the important part. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Allow Others to Share Your Posts to Their Story. By default, this might be turned on, which means anyone who can see your posts can share them to their own stories. To stop this, simply toggle the switch to turn it off. That's it. With this setting disabled, people will no longer be able to share your page posts to their stories. Your content stays on your page just the way you want it. Taking a moment to adjust your privacy settings can make a big difference in how your content is shared and who gets to see it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your social media experience exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.